With intuitive controls and a clear digital display, it's easy to use and provides accurate measurements every time. With its magnetic base, it effortlessly attaches to any metal surface. Simply zero the angle finder, place it on your workpiece, and get precise angle readings instantly. Whether it's miter cuts or bevel cuts, the Steadfast ensures accuracy every time. Attach it to your miter saw and adjust angles effortlessly. Ideal for woodworking projects of any scale. When it comes to table saws, set your desired angle on the Steadfast, align it with your blade, and make precise cuts with confidence.